What's up guys, my name is Chiwokto and today we're gonna play PUBG. Let's get started. We're gonna play PUBG again guys. Okay, we're doing a free fall. And there we go with the parachute out. I don't want to fall in that hole. I seriously don't want to fall in that hole. No. Okay, thanks. I choose this house. I hope I get something good. I don't want crossbows. No, I don't want it. Let's go upstairs, guys, and see what we can get. Just give me a gun. Oh yeah, we got a gun, guys. We got some good amount of ammos that will help us to survive through the game. Okay, let's get down. We're under the house. Let's shoot the crossbow with that. We have space left. We're shooting. Somebody's near us, guys. We gotta be careful. No. The hell is shooting? I gotta go out. No. Sorry, but what's with me? Die, idiot, die. And that's how I killed the one who just tried to kill me. Okay, I killed him finally. That's like what he has. I'm gonna loot you. I will take everything you have. Let's exchange our crossbow with the vector gun. Okay. That's what we wanted, guys. We got from this guy. He will kill us, I will kill him. He can't escape from me.
2,000 years later.
Okay, we're in the grass. Oh no, there's someone. I can't see him. I can only hear the sounds, and that's what makes me get more scared. But we gotta keep moving. We're in the safe zone. We're getting near to our teammate. We should stay near our teammates, guys. I'm feeling pretty safe now. Okay, I'm feeling safe. I can do it. No. Seriously? I'm not feeling safe now. I'm scared of this red zone, guys. I don't want to get killed with the missiles. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of the red zone, guys. No. Get out. I don't care if anyone is there. I just want to get out of the red zone safely. Okay, I'm out of the red zone, guys. I'm safe for now. Where's my teammate? He's getting away from us. We should stay near him, guys, to prevent difficulty. I can see that house over there. Let's see if we can get something in the house. Who's shooting? Is it our teammate? I don't know. Let's go towards this house. I hope there's no one in it. Okay, there is no one in the house, guys. Can we get something useful? No. I want some ammo. No, not useful. Oh no, this is not a good thing, guys. Okay, let's get to our teammate then. Okay, there is a PUBG crate, guys. We got a PUBG crate. Let's see if we can get some ammos from it. But we gotta be careful while looting the PUBG crate. Okay, we got the things we wanted.
2,000 years later.
Okay, we're now in the car. I'm riding the car on the PUBG crate. Let's see what it has. I have something good. Yes, something good, like always. We're going to switch a gun with the Groza, guys. Okay. And we have 60 ammos of Groza. Hopefully this will help us to survive through the game. Oh no, we're shooting. We're shooting. Is someone near us? Okay. Die. Okay, I'm just gonna need to kill him. Our teammate is gonna kill him, guys. Let's get near to him and let's see what he adds. Okay, there we go. But what? Oh no, no, no. There's someone near us. Okay, our teammate killed him. That's a good thing, guys. We got plenty of ammo to survive. I hope this will help us. I hope this much would be sufficient. I think so. That's great. Let's go for it, guys. But we gotta be careful. Oh no, 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 no. Die, 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 die. That's how I killed. I can't kill him. Oh no, 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 no. Hide, hide. And who killed him? Okay, our teammate killed him, guys. He didn't have the ammo we needed. Okay, let's keep going towards the PUBG crate. Hopefully we can get some more items. I guess we should be near our teammate. Okay, there is someone near us, guys. I can see him. Where are you, boy? Just show me yourself. Just show yourself to me. Where are you? Oh, I guess I saw him. Yes, I saw him, guys. Die, 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 die. Oh, that's how we kill someone. There is again someone near us. Let's zoom in. Okay, there he is. Die, die. Okay. We killed him in just 2 shots. That was pretty good, guys. Okay, there is the PUBG crate, but I can see someone else here. What the heck? I can shoot him this time. I can shoot that guy this time. Just stop at one place. Thanks. Seriously? Oh no, I missed all of my shots. Oh no, I have no ammo left in my Groza. I got only this. I got only the vector to protect me. Oh no, who needs my help? My teammate. He's knocked out. We gotta revive him. Let's get to him, guys. But I must be careful. There is someone near us. That's what makes me more scared. And I guess there's no one near us, guys. Let's get to him. Okay, I can see him. Let's go, guys. Okay. Please nobody shoot me when I'm reviving. Just wait more 5 seconds, more 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds.
I need a scope.
I don't have a scope. Welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. We just revived him successfully without getting killed. That's a good thing, guys. 2 of our teammates are already dead. We're the only one alive. But we are in an open land, and that's what makes me frightened. Oh no, there is someone near us trying to kill us. I know the circle will be getting more smaller now. But where the guy is, will try to shoot us. Where are you? Where are you, boy? Oh no, somebody's back of us. But where the hell he is? Where the hell he is, guys? I can't see him. Oh no, the circle is getting more smaller. Let's get back to the safe zone. Oh no. Seems like there is someone. We are surrounded, guys. Both from backside and front side. Oh, there he is. I'm gonna kill him. Die, die, die. Seriously, I lost all my clip ammo. Oh no, he escaped. We gotta get him, guys. No, he's not coming up anymore. Okay, let's get back to the safe zone, guys. We don't want to die from the blue zone. Oh no, sorry, sorry, sorry. Oh no, let's get out of here, guys. Someone just trying to kill us. Please don't kill me. Sorry, sorry. Oh no, 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 no. There are two peoples, guys. I mean, two players. Oh no, 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 no. Please, please, please don't shoot me. Oh no, no, please, please don't kill me. Oh no, 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 no. I will die in just one more shot. Please, no one kill me. Please, please, just wait 2 seconds. Okay. There's someone, guys. There's someone near us. But where the hell he is? I saw him, I saw him, I saw him. Let's zoom in, guys. Okay. That's how we kill someone. Let's get to our teammate, guys. There are only 5 alive, including us. That means there are 3 more players remaining in this circle. Only the player, yeah. We're gonna kill 3 more peoples and we're done, guys. We're gonna get the chicken dinner. We should hide here. This is the place to hide. Let's drink cola, guys. Okay. I mean energy drink. Okay. There's someone again out there, but he can't kill us. We are behind the tree, well protected from him, but our teammate is getting greedy, guys. He's going for the loot. He's getting out of the cover. I hope there is no one else. Let's go for the loot, guys. Now I am also getting greedy. Oh, you got any costume? Oh yeah, I got some advantage of being greedy. I got some ammo for my groza. I just prefer to just hide behind the tree. The circle is getting even more smaller. Okay. There are still more 3 players alive. Okay, one died. Our teammate killed one of them. Now there is only 1 player alive. If we kill him, we win, guys. But where the hell he is? Let's try to find him, guys. But before that, let's take some more loots. Okay. Where are you? Okay, he's over there, guys. We found him. Not again. Let's switch our gun, guys. The groza is just too bad for sniping. I'll just shoot everywhere instead of the player. Okay, I can see him now again. Now I'm missing shots. I'm gonna kill him this time. Oh yes, I killed him, guys. We got chicken dinner. We won this time, guys. I was trying to wave my hand. Okay, we are chicken master and armor expert. We did it, guys. We are Terminator. We killed 6 of them. We did it, guys. We did it. Okay, guys, seems like we're done for today's video. Meet you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.